Hôm nay mình thay được chậu.
Sharper than a knife on the pot cover. Oh, that's too cool.
Mình hình năng lại nè. Màu lá với cái hoài bơ. Còn cái này ra. Mai 20 บาท อันนั้น10 บาทค่ะแหนมมัน20ใครก็เป็นเขาเป็นเขาหมูล้วนอันนั้นมันไม่เขาไม่แก่เรียกเงินเลยเรียกเงินละทีก็ได้
That's what she looks like. There's the one I chose. I got an audience and they're quite interested in what I'm doing. Check it out, huh? Beautiful. These are the ones he was cooking with the fan. Everything is cooked with homemade charcoal, but for some reason he was doing these on the flat grill instead of the angled grill. And that cool fan, I think that's just to attract people. You can see that smoke for a mile. And it smells really good. This one, tiny bit sour. Not sour as in spoiled, sour as in sour, you know. And the filling, mostly pork skin. There's no noodles in this one. A lot of these Northeast Thailand sausage have noodles in them. This one, I don't think so. Let's give her a go. My audience is leaving now. It's really, really good. Wow. And it's charcoal, you know, homemade charcoal. It changes the taste of everything. Now these are normally eaten with cabbage, ginger, and chilies, and we'll give that a go. But I'm holding my camera, so I got one hand. And the chili, it's spicy. The ginger goes really nice with sausage, you know. Ginger, cabbage, no chili. The other half. Man, that's good. Just got a whole lot quieter here. The noisy people have gone home. You see these sausages? I don't know if you noticed it or not. The ones sitting on the tailgate, they're tied with a string, a plastic string, which they take off before they cook them, obviously. Homemade. And that's good. That's all that's left. Yeah, I would say they make their own. Awesome old couple. The old man was really funny. And then when I was buying the sausage, the old lady couldn't stop laughing, so. Nice people. The old lady was just surprised that I understood what she was saying. Which is kind of surprising for me too. Last one. Man, that's good. I wish there was more cabbage. Unbelievable. These are 20 baht each, which is a little more expensive than most for that size, you know. But made with pork instead of rice noodles. That's why. Pork's a lot more expensive than noodles. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Chili for the road. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, I found a piece of pork. Lucky day. See that car? Slammed on the brakes. Wouldn't want to hit me. Break the car.